in a minute. Oh yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
How deep is it? It's not so deep.
It's man-made. That comes from the bathroom, but... What? Yo, this is very deep. It's very deep.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hopefully about to get better. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah?
That's warm.
Oh, so we want to go in, get changed.
It's nice. I get into it back.
Get some...
I want to see what it feels like. Is it like sandy on the bottom?
No, it's hard. It's rock. By the looks of it, they've got a load of boulders and they poured a load of concrete to make like a smoothish surface.
Man, that's hot.
It's like a bath, isn't it?
Ah. That's fun.
That
The
is nice.
GoPro, I love it. I see stuff on like YouTube of people like nice that.
Yeah, this one's nice.
GoPros.
Yeah, this is good
I
for.
don't know where to get into an ice bath.
It's better than the one by the car. Here, Alec, you want a towel? Wrap yourself in, or make one?
Oh no, I
Take your shoes off.
You're not... You gotta take the under...
Snowboarding?
Hey?
Did you just come from snowboarding?
Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like that's snow gear.
That's snow gear, yes.
At Mammoth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've had Monday was rough,
Yeah, we were
today
there
is rough,
Monday. Yeah.
but Tuesday and Wednesday have been fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. Skies like this, but today's not looking good. They've closed about half the lakes up there today.
Nothing on the top half.
No. We went up to the top yesterday. Perfect day for it.
Yeah. So we've been there the same day as you were because
Yeah.
we came in Monday, had our half day, but a lot of stuff was closed.
Part of the experience, Alec, is naked outside.
I gotta.
Give me a warning before you do that so I can switch this thing off.
Alright, he's going over there to do it, but yeah.
No, I don't want to hold it.
I even have a wet spot in my glasses.
Careful, it's slick.
Come on, Chuckles.
Natural hot tub.
Yo.
I think they're old pros at this.
Have you guys done this before?
Oh
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where's mine?
Yeah, come on.
Football on you, What's that?
You don't come all on me.